Ang preventive healthcare ay for principles only. Kasama po natin dito yung ating annual physical examination na basic 5, no? Yung physical examination, complete blood count, o CBC, urinalysis, fecalysis, saka chest x-ray. At para po sa mga age 40 and above, meron po tayong ECG, no? Kasi po doon sa age 40 and above, doon po nagsisimula lumabas yung mga circulatory saka cardiac na problems, no? At meron din po tayong pap smear para sa women age 40 and above or if prescribed. Sa preventive healthcare, kasama rin po yung consultation on different specializations and subspecialties. Meron po tayong patient history taking upon consultation, periodic monitoring of health problems, health education and counseling on diet and exercise, health habits and family planning counseling. At meron po tayong active vaccines for treatment of tetanus and animal bites, gaya po ng snake bites. Ang limit po nito ay 10,000 per member per year.